ActiveCampaign tutorial for beginners, how to use ActiveCampaign for email marketing. Hi everyone, welcome back, and for today's video, let's talk about this email marketing software called ActiveCampaign. This ActiveCampaign provides cloud-based marketing and sales automation software with features for email marketing, lead scoring and web analytics, a CRM platform, and a live chat messaging platform. ActiveCampaign offer almost everything you need within a newsletter marketing tool, plus their advanced automation are hard to beat. One of their key features is marketing automation. Aside from autoresponders, which can be based on myriad conditions, you can automate list and contact management as well as deals. If you decide to use their CRM software, this software is the competition of MailChimp if you are familiar with the MailChimp app. So to start with, this is the ActiveCampaign homepage. You can just visit activecampaign.com, and here you'll see how this software can help you, like email marketing automation. And before we go any further, let's first check the pricing plans, just for us to have an idea if how much this software can cost us. So this software doesn't have any free plan, but they have a free trial for you to explore and experience the software features and functionality. Here they have four different plans that you can choose from. First is the Lite plan for $9 per month. It includes marketing automation, email marketing, unlimited email sending, which is really good for its price, drag and drop email builder, also good, 125 plus email templates that you can choose from, send newsletter, subscription forms, segmentation, site and event tracking, and lastly, campaign and automation reporting. And the second plan is the Plus plan for $49 per month. It includes everything in Lite plan, plus landing pages, 50 plus landing page templates, which is really good, Facebook custom audiences, contact scoring, SMS marketing, automations map, conditional content, advanced performance reporting, and lastly, custom branded forms and landing pages. And the third plan is the professional plan for $149 per month. It includes everything in your Plus plan and also includes website personalization, predictive sending, predictive content, marketing attribution, split automation, attribution reporting, and site messages. And the last one is the enterprise plan. You can customize a plan for you. You can choose what features you want to get, and you must contact their sales representative for assistance for this plan. And these features is for business to consumer. There are also different features here included for your business to business and e-commerce, as you can see. So before you select any plan here, it's better to first try their software for free just to see if this software is perfect for you. So if you want to create an account, just provide your email here and then click on try it free. And after that, you'll be prompted to welcome page where you need to provide your name and your phone number. Then you need to answer these questions. How many prospects do you have? And also, how many employees do you have? What industry is your business in? And if you have any other marketing tools used, then just click next. Then here lastly, you create your own password and click here. So just wait for a while. It may take some time to set up your account. So this is your dashboard now, and over here you have your different tasks here that you need to complete to fully access the functionality of your software. So the first one is the basic. You need to create a list and then verify your domain, and then after that provide your mailing address and import your contacts. And under here, you have your communicate with your customer. You need to track activity on your website, integrate your apps, and create a form. And the third one is the orchestrate your customer experience. You need to create a campaign and build an automation. And lastly, you have your manage your sales cycle, where you would need to set up your pipeline and import accounts. So here to start with your email marketing, you have your menu here in your left side bar. Go to campaign and then go ahead and click on create your first campaign. And here you need to name your campaign and select a campaign type. It can be a standard, an automated, autoresponder, split testing. This is to compare multiple emails to test which work best, RSS triggered, and the date based. So let me go ahead and select the standard here for this tutorial. Then I will just go ahead and click on next. And after that, here you need to choose a contact list if what group of people you want to send the email marketing. You can create a contact list on your list menu. Then next is you need to choose a template for your email marketing. Here you have templates for sell a single product, happy birthday, coupon code, limited time offer, post purchase upsell, and many more. And let me just go ahead and choose this limited time offer. You can preview the template. And once you like it, then you just click on select. And here you need to set up the sender details, like the name of the company here, and your company email, and the email subject name. Let's say the subject is limited time offer, big discount, then click on continue. And you'll be redirected to editor page to edit or customize your email marketing. Here you can upload your own photo or your own logo up here. And then you can also add some URL link. It can be the homepage link of your website so that when your audience or customer click on the image, they will be redirected to your homepage. Then you may also edit the text here. And you can also add another photo here. It can be a discount graphic design for your campaign. And you can add the URL link to your online store so that your audience will be redirected to your online store when they are interested in this email. And you have your button here. Let me change it to shop now. And you can add another URL link here to your online store. And you may also add another blocks. Just simply drag and drop here. For example, we'll add text block. And here you can start typing your ad. You can choose the font style that you like, the size, the color. It can be bold or italic and more. You can also add personalize here like email, full name, and others. Let's go to message, and here you can also add unsubscribe link and more. After that, just click next here, and just for summary, review your subject name. The pre-header text, it is a short text that directly follows the subject line. Then the from, and here I did not verify a domain, and you need to have a domain and verified it, and also provide a physical mailing address for you to successfully send this email marketing to your contact list. And also down here, you can also schedule your emails to be sent to your contact list. And I will just save and exit this draft email. And that's how easy and fast you can create your email marketing using the ActiveCampaign software. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.